Do it again. Do it again. He's like, get your goddamn hands off of me. My niece is messing with Kit Kat while he cleans himself. He's like, why does she keep touching me? What is her problem?
Sorry.
He's like, if you don't get the fuck off of me. He's like, did she just touch me? Why did she? I just cleaned that spot. All right, let me try again. He's like, what the fuck is her problem? He said, do that shit again.
I'm sorry. What are you saying?
He said, she keep touching me. Why does she keep touching me? He said, you know, I'm just gonna stay here and go to sleep because this bitch is getting on my nerves.
You're so